Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all are fine and you are utilizing this time very perfectly for your studies and other businesses. And this is the time to develop ourselves. So I hope you are not wasting this time leisurely and utilizing this time to learn something, to develop yourself and to do some such good activities. Anyway, in today's video lecture we will do some important definitions. This is the last lecture of these triangles, and after that from tomorrow inshallah we will move to our new topic, that is parallelograms. These definitions I think are very important, you must know. So let us these are the three or four definitions, so let us discuss them one by one. One is median. What is the median? Median of it is not the median you find in the statistics, that median of the numbers you are given the number. It is not that median, it is the median of a triangle. Median of a triangle we define as a line segment joining midpoint of any side of triangle to its opposite vertex. A line segment joining midpoint of any side of triangle to its opposite vertex. Suppose we have a triangle ABC. If we if we find the midpoint of BC, say it is D. What is the opposite vertex? D's opposite vertex is A. The opposite vertex of D is A. If we join A to D, then this AD forms the median of a triangle. Similarly, here you can find the midpoint, say S. If you join it to the B, BS is another median of triangle ABC. Similarly, if you find the median T, you can join CT. You will also find the another median CT. So median is what? A line segment joining midpoint of any side of triangle. What you have to do is find the midpoint of side of triangle, join it to the opposite vertex, you find the median. And when you any time when you hear that PQ is the median of triangle AB, PQR, when you hear that PQ is the median of triangle, PQR, say, so one which must come immediately in your mind, that if PQ is the median, then necessarily let us form the triangle PQR. So if we write P here, so then necessarily, PM is the median, if PM is the median of the triangle PQR, then one thing which immediately come to your mind, that M is the midpoint of QR. M should be the midpoint of QR. Why? Because PM is the median. If PM is the median is what? Line segment joining midpoint of side of triangle to its opposite vertex. So M is necessarily midpoint of QR. So one thing immediately should come to your mind, that M is the midpoint of QR. And similarly, for example, we can say that if DE is the midpoint of triangle AB, if D is the median of triangle ABC, so we will one thing which immediately if BE is the median, of the triangle ABC, so we will form the triangle ABC. So BE is the median, so E should be is the midpoint of AC. So why? Because B is the median, so E is the midpoint of AC by definition. These things you must know that. And another point is the centroid. What is the centroid? Centroid is the point of intersections of all the medians here. So here CT is the median, BS is the median, AD is the median. So they all meet here at this point. This point O is the centroid of triangle ABC. When you hear the word centroid, it is the point of intersection of all the medians of a triangle. Point of intersection of all the medians of triangle. This is the centroid. Another is altitudes. You know it, altitude, you have heard it frequently, that what is the altitude? It is the perpendicular drawn from a vertex to opposite side. So in when you find the area of a triangle, you usually say that it is 1/2 base into corresponding altitude. So altitude is what? If you have a triangle ABC, if you draw a perpendicular, this is perpendicular opposite vertex to this side BD, this is altitude. You can also draw, this is altitude CM. You can also draw another altitude AT. So altitude is what? Altitude is, it is the perpendicular drawn from a vertex to opposite side. So in the median, it was a line segment joining midpoint. Here it is not midpoint. Here it is perpendicular. Sometimes it is not necessary that it should lie in the midway of the side. Sometimes it may lie here, whatever be the case. So altitude is what we will write: perpendicular altitude. Altitude is perpendicular drawn from vertex of triangle, any vertex of triangle to its opposite side. Perpendicular drawn from any side, any vertex of triangle to its opposite side. So this is vertex, it is opposite side is this. This is vertex, it is opposite side is this. This is vertex, it is opposite side is this. So again, orthocenter, and a new definition: orthocenter is the point of intersections of all the altitudes. Here this point CM, the point of intersection of CM, BD and AD, they meet at a point. This point is known as the orthocenter. Ortho means what? Ortho means perpendicular. If you find some anywhere the word ortho, one thing immediately come to your mind: ortho means perpendicular. So point of intersection of all the altitudes of a triangle is known as orthocenter. This is the orthocenter. So point of intersection of all the altitudes of triangle, it is known as orthocenter. Another is incenter of a triangle. What is incenter of a triangle? Incenter of a triangle. Incenter, if you I will explain it to you. If you draw the angle bisectors of each of the angle, so we draw here the angle bisector, here we draw the angle bisector, here we draw the angle bisector A, B, C. This is angle bisector, this is angle bisector of this angle, this is angle bisector of this angle. So you know, these points, these three bisectors meet at a point O. This point O is known as the incenter. Incenter is what? Incenter is nothing. It is the point of intersections of the all the angle bisectors of interior angle of the triangle. Point of intersection of all the interior angles of triangle. Point of intersections of bisectors of point of intersection of all the angle bisectors of triangle. Point of intersection of all the angle bisectors of triangle. So you bisect this angle, bisect this angle, bisect this angle. You will they will meet at a point. This point is known as incenter. Another is last definition. It is the circumcenter. These things you must know. Circumcenter. Circumcenter is what? It is the point of intersections of all the perpendicular bisectors of a triangle. So if you have a triangle ABC, here if you draw the perpendicular bisector upon this triangle, perpendicular bisector upon this triangle, upon this side, and perpendicular bisector upon this side. This is O, this is D, this is E, this is F, this is C. So this is the point O. If you draw OT, this is perpendicular bisector. It is perpendicular as well as bisector. Perpendicular as well as it bisects this side. Perpendicular as well as it bisects this side. This point O, it is known as the circumcenter. So circumcenter is what? It is the point of intersection of all the perpendicular bisectors of triangle. So I hope you will get these definitions very well. If you still find any difficulty or have any confusion regarding these definitions, please let me know that. This was the last lecture of this triangles. It was a very basic chapter. These we have discussed some basic ideas. If anybody among you have any difficulty or have not properly understood the concepts which we have discussed in this chapter, let me know that. I will make the separate video for the said concept. So I hope you will enjoy this lesson. If you have any doubt, suggestion, please let me know that, so that you can have the clear, your concepts will get clear. Thank you, class.